One fun trick about the induction cooking appliances that many people do not know before. The induction appliance for cooking cooks by inducing the electromagnetic wave into the metal. It reacts with the metal and the metal alone. It does not react with the paper, with the body, as long as you don't have much iron in the body. It does not react with the cork wood or any other substance that is not metal. In order to increase the cooking efficiency and create a layer for cleaning, you can use paper between your cooking pot and the induction heater. Here we have been cooking this for 15 minutes and look at it, the paper is not burned. It never burns as long as you cook water. When you are cooking fried food, then maybe it can burn when the metal heats up too much. The water always heats up to 100 degrees or a little bit more. It is not enough to burn the paper. The paper burns at around 300, 400, depending on the altitude and the oxygen content in the air. So why put the paper? What's the trick? After you're done cooking, maybe there are some splashes, water drops. You can cook and then clean with the same paper. It's the same trick as the cooks use with the aluminum foil on top of fire. I'm keeping it hot, I'm not cooking at the moment. If you would be to cook on the ceramic heater, it's gonna burn. So only use this trick on the induction cooking appliances. Have fun!